The gruesome daylight murder of a 41-year-old jeweler, Swapnil Krishna Walke, on Wednesday afternoon in Madgaon has traumatized Goa's conscience and has left all Madgaonkars in a state of shock. Prima facie, it appears that two thieves attempted to rob the famous Krishni jewelry shop near Swapna Plaza in the heart of Madgaon city at around 12:30 pm on Wednesday. But the owner's son, Swapnil Walke, dared to avert the robbery. One of the thieves, however, was armed with a knife and stabbed Swapnil without a second thought. Braveheart Swapnil kept fighting back till he collapsed. Sadly, none of the bystanders got involved when the scuffle broke out between the two thieves and Swapnil, and everyone merely kept on looking at Swapnil's blood-stained shirt in horror instead of chasing down his assailants or at least getting medical help for Swapnil. A neighbor has captured the later part of the incident on his mobile phone, in which three persons are seen running towards the far end of the street on which the shop is located. The 38-second video has shaken the very core of Goenkarpon. Madgaonkars in general have come under heavy criticism from the rest of Goa for not having mustered the courage to stand up for one of their own in face of such horror. Though some motorists stopped and helped the police in carrying the gravely wounded Swapnil to Hospicio, it was too late. He was declared dead on arrival at the hospital. Police teams searched the spot with a dog squad, but the assailants continued to remain at large till Wednesday evening. The police have succeeded in recovering the murder weapon, the knife. During the inspection of the crime scene, a country-made pistol was also recovered, along with a magazine, one empty cartridge, 3 live rounds, and one knife cover. During the preliminary investigation, nothing else has been reported to be missing from the jewelry shop. A CCTV footage from inside as well as outside the shop has also been seized and is being examined. Several theories have been floated. Many believe that the thieves could have been pushed into the act due to the loss of livelihood during the lockdown, while some opine that this could have been a result of personal rivalry, as none of the items from the jewelry shop have been reported missing. Margao police have formed multiple teams to hunt down Swapnil's killers. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has assured that stern action will be taken against the culprits, and has said that he has spoken to DGP and SP South Goa. But the leader of opposition Digambar Kamath and president of Goa Forward Party Vijay Sardesai have criticized the state government for its utter failure, leading to complete collapse of the law and order machinery in the state. Margao police have registered an FIR under section 302 for murder and Section 34 for common intention under IPC. Sections of the Arms Act have also been included against the unknown assailants.